Hello all, welcome to lecture number 12. First question is prove that integral over C A cross R dot dr it is equal to 2A double integral over S ds bar, where S is the open surface bounded by a closed curve C. Now if the curve is closed and if it is given as A cross R dot dr, then here ds bar is also present, so here we can use Stokes theorem. So what is Stokes theorem? Integral over C f dot dr it is equal to double integral over S del cross f dot n cap ds, or we can write ds bar also. So here we write ds bar because we need here ds bar. So integral over say f dot dr it is double integral over S del cross f dot n cap dot ds bar. Now if we compare this result with our given result, what is f? This is given that integral over C A cross R dot dr it is equal to 2A double integral over S ds bar. This we want to prove, and this is by Stokes theorem. Stokes theorem. Now if we compare this result left hand side only, if we compare, we get f bar is equal to A cross R. Now what we want? We want on right hand side del cross f to use Stokes theorem. So del cross f means we first find out del cross f of this result, del cross f of A cross R. But this is nothing but cross product of three vectors. So what is the formula for cross product of three vectors? It is del dot R multiplied by A minus A dot del multiplied by R. Now we know that this is the standard result, del dot R it is equal to del dot R it is equal to 3, and A dot del multiplied by R it is equal to A. These two are standard result. So del dot R it is equal to 3, and this is whole term become A. So 3A minus A it is equal to 2A. Substitute in Stokes theorem. So Stokes theorem is integral over C A cross R dot dr bar it is equal to double integral over S del cross f. Del cross f is 2A dot ds bar. So this is equal to 2A bar outside double integral over S dot ds bar. So this is the result which we obtained. This is equal to RHS. So here we consider LHS and it is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, hence result is proved. Next example is, for a scalar function phi, show that integral over C phi into del phi dot dr it is equal to 0. Now we consider this. First LHS. LHS is equal to integral over C phi del phi dot dr bar. But we can prove this result by using, again it is dot dr bar, so we can use by here Stokes theorem. So what is Stokes theorem? Integral over C f dot dr it is equal to double integral over S del cross f dot ds. So what is f? F vector is here phi into del phi. Compare this left hand side with this left hand side, we get f vector which is equal to phi del phi. Now to use Stokes theorem, what we want? Del cross f. So del cross f it is equal to del cross phi into del phi. So del cross phi into del phi it is equal to, can we use this that property del cross phi multiplied by u? Can we use this property? Yes. Why? Because del phi is a vector quantity and phi is a scalar quantity. So what is this property? It is del phi cross u plus phi into del cross u. This is the standard result. So phi del, here phi, here u value is our, u is equal to del phi. So use this result here, standard result. It is equal to del phi cross del phi plus phi multiplied by del cross del phi. So del phi cross del phi, if two vectors are identical, then its cross product is 0. And if we find out del cross del phi means del by del x of, so we can find out this result phi into del cross del phi. So what is phi into del cross del phi, that we can find out here. It is equal to I j k, then del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and del phi by del x, del phi by del y, and del phi by del z. So if we simplify this determinant, it is I times del by del y of del phi by del z, it is del 2 phi by del y into del z, minus del 2 phi by del y into del z. So this get cancelled. Similarly, plus j times del 2 phi by del x into del z minus del 2 phi by del x into del z, plus k times del 2 phi by del x into del y minus del 2 phi by del x into del y. So all will get cancelled, both are same. So it is equal to 0. So what is our LHS? LHS is equal to integral over C phi del phi dot dr bar, and this is equal to integral over C. What was the remaining term? It is phi del cross del phi. See, LHS is integral over C phi del phi dot dr. It is equal to integral over C phi into del cross del phi. Phi into del cross del phi. So what is this term? It is equal to 0. Just now we have find out. So this is integral over C 0, which is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. So we get the result LHS is equal to RHS. Thank you.